what's going on because we're going to talk about your Thanksgiving Day meal here in just a little bit. But radar, we've got showers and storms still. We're not done. We'll take it because this is friendly right now. I'm still going to keep in, though, the chance that some of these further organize because we got a little bit more lift coming in. I think with the front pushing through, it's possible these showers get a little beefier, maybe even a few isolated storms as well. But at this point, we look pretty good and it's falling where it should. That green polygon here, as a reminder, San Saba River at San Saba expected to crest at 25 feet. This afternoon, flood stage is 24 feet. So maybe a little bit of water out of its banks, minor flooding possible. I don't think it's going to cause too much of a disruption. Just make sure you're staying away from the river. Same thing right now, the Llano River in Kimball County is expected to reach minor flood stage. I don't expect any issues a little further downstream, except for the fact that the water level probably is going to come up, but we shouldn't have any flooding problems. 65 degrees. Fog is certainly possible. I've been warning you about that all morning. Because of the rainfall we got yesterday, it's possible that there's going to be some areas of reduced visibility on your way out the door this morning. This isn't our first rodeo. This typically happens after a heavy rain event, so just take it easy on the speeds. By the way, if you're ever curious about how much rain you got in your area, KXAN.com/weather. If you click on that tab, you'll be able to see a map. It's rainfall totals, and you can zoom in all the way down to your neck of the woods. So I think that's a really good tool we've got, and it's pretty popular after a good rain that we got, like yesterday. 81 degrees. Mostly to partly sunny. That 50% chance of rain is this morning. Once we get that front through here, I expect midday and beyond to be looking at a mix of sun and clouds and a dry radar. I think all that's left here is some scattered showers this morning. That could potentially give us a quarter of an inch to an inch. An inch, if not 1 to 2 inches, might be a little high considering the trends are keeping things sub-severe and things on the lighter side as far as intensity goes. But at least we're not talking about anything too concerning for the rest of the day. That means high school football tonight. We've got playoffs again on KBVO. This is going to be Frisco Lone Star versus Georgetown at Georgetown, by the way. Dry skies, but cooler in the 60s. As far as your weekend forecast goes, we are dry tomorrow, it looks like. We've dropped the rain chance, highs in the 70s. Sunday, mostly dry. Those rain chances kick in late with our next storm system. We're going to see a warm front push through that brings in that moisture again. The front that comes in with it, this next storm system is going to bump our rain chances up late Sunday into Monday. So Monday, I think, is probably going to be more active than Sunday, but wanted to put that on your radar. There is going to be the potential for an additional localized flooding threat as we get with this next storm system Sunday into Monday. 7-day forecast, 80s today, 70s here as we get into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Pacific front helps with the rain Sunday into Monday. This Canadian front actually brings in the cooler air. That's going to be with us as we get into Thanksgiving. Highs down to the 60s, your overnight lows in the 40s. Erica?
All right, thank you so much, Kristen.